teacher always used to sing the tune, you have to simplify before you multiply. And I think that comes in handy whenever we are dealing with multiplying fractions that have really large numbers. So let's take a look at this example. Notice we have 25 over 58 times 24 over 50. This would involve multiplying the numerators, multiplying the denominators, and then simplifying. Well, I want us to think about dividing first by common factors. So first we look within fractions. There are not any common factors in 25 over 58, but there is a common factor in 24 over 50. So we can start by dividing both of the numerator and the denominator by 2. 24 divided by 2 is 12, and 50 divided by 2 is 25. So therefore, 24 over 50 can be rewritten as 12 over 25. Now, what we look for next, after we look within fractions, is what we want to do is ask ourselves if any numerators from one fraction and denominators of the other fraction will also contain common factors. And this is where it gets really interesting. So notice that there's a 25 in this numerator of the first fraction, and now we have a 25 in the denominator of the second fraction. So you know what that means? 25 divided by 25, that's going to give us 1. I can divide each of these by 25, and I'm just left with 1. 1 is the easiest number to multiply by. Okay, so now we've done a cross, and we can do one more if we notice. You got it. This 12 and this 58 have a common factor of 2. So whenever we have even numbers, they always share a common factor of 2. 12 divided by 2 gives us 6. 58 divided by 2 gives us 29. And we're left with 6 over 29 in this fraction. So now we've just made our problem so much more simple. And as you can see, we are left with the fractions 1 over 29 times 6 over 1. We multiply straight across with the numerators, straight across with the denominators. 6 over 29 is our final product. Now, let's say you didn't catch all of the simplifying. That's okay. That just means you're going to have to simplify again at the end. All right, I hope that helps. And just remember, you've got to simplify before you multiply.